On August 9th, at least a dozen explosions rocked a Russian military base in Crimea. Russia's defense ministry avoided assigning blame, saying the detonation of several aviation ammunition stores caused the blast, while for its part, Ukraine's military played it coy. It did not claim responsibility for the damaged combat planes, nor for a subsequent drone strike on the Navy headquarters in the Russian-occupied area. Instead, Ukraine's defense ministry mockingly warned on Twitter about the dangers of smoking, sardonically suggesting that Russian soldiers caused the explosions themselves by tossing lit cigarettes. "Time to head home. Crimea is Ukraine," read the text on the faux tourism video it tweeted, in which Bananarama's 1983 song Cruel Summer is heard playing over footage of shocked sunbathers fleeing a nearby beach as smoke from the blast looms in the background. In the days that followed, a barrage of similar lampooning posts appeared on various Ukrainian military Twitter handles. One shared a World Health Organization advisory that smoking kills. Another particularly barbed tweet sported a capture mosaic of the burned-out planes, with instructions to prove that you're not a robot. Please click each image containing an airplane. If there are none, click skip, it said. Digital jokes are Ukraine's latest weapon in the war. The military outcome is uncertain, as the conflict drags into its 7th month. But these sardonic salvos that are winning millions of views on Telegram, Twitter, and other social media platforms are resonating both at home and with a global English-speaking audience. The military situation is probably at a stalemate, says Corneliu Biola, a professor of diplomatic studies at Oxford University, who specializes in digital messaging. But humor is helping Ukraine win the information war. Messaging was serious right after the invasion began on February 24th, he says. The ministry posted information about Russian losses and retweeted inspirational announcements by President Volodymyr Zelensky. Just a month into the war, Defense Ministry wits posted the Ukraine Oscars 2022. This entailed several video clips, with such entries as Ukrainian farmers towing Russian military vehicles, Best Supporting Actress for performance in The Taming of the Shrew, and of Javelin missiles, Best Actress, the Javelin for the powerful performance in Burning Orcs. A viral TikTok meme that went out on August 22nd superimposes a HIMARS lightweight mobile rocket system, weaponry that has helped Ukraine fend off Russian forces, floating improbably on an inflatable pink raft. Facing the vital Kerch Bridge linking Crimea to Russia, the caption says, "We are watching you."
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.